का दीवाना.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
After months of screen time and no play dates, the Children's Discovery Museum is open for Purple Play Days of Summer. It's time to rediscover the wonder. Climb on the fire engine, splash around in the waterworks, blow bubbles, and scale the tree climber in Bill's backyard. Oodles of hands-on arts and culture, STEM, health, and nature-themed exhibits await your family. The Giant Purple Museum is open every day, Wednesday through Sunday. Reservations are required at cdm.org. That's cdm.org. जब हमारे परिवार के बुजुर्गों की सेहत और देखभाल की बात होती है तो घर पर इन होम केयर वाला ऑप्शन सबसे बढ़िया है. ऑनलॉक का पेस प्रोग्राम एक ऐसा कन्वीनियंट एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड ऑप्शन है जिसके जरिए हमारे बुजुर्ग घर पर हमारे साथ रहकर यही देखभाल और सेवा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं. अब चाहे वो घर पर रहे या ऑनलॉक वाले पेस सेंटर में आए, उनको वही डेडिकेटेड एंड प्रोफेशनल केयर मिलेगी. ऑनलॉक ने बुजुर्गों की सेहत को अपना प्रायोरिटी बना लिया है. और जानने के लिए 1855-308-0195 पे कॉल करें. That's 1855-308-0195. Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye. नमस्कार.
Namaste.
नमस्कार.
Vanakkam.
खुश आमदीद.
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
मी गंदकी वंदमो.
जय स्वामीनारायण.
जय श्री कृष्णा.
जय जनेंद्र.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधु को बोल दे याली बदन.
मोली वाले बंदे सारे फीजे वाले बगड़ी सब वाले बंदे ऑफ कोर्स हमारे सारे अरेबिक बंदे लोग ढंग टेकुम आप सभी लोगों को बोलेंगे सबह नूर.
Sabah Noor बन जा. Sabah Noor means morning man.
Oh sorry, masah noor. No, I forget.
Well, बन जा he
Okay,
doesn't know.
fine. I forgot. Confused. I don't speak to many Arabic speakers right now, so I'll figure it out. थोड़ा मेरे को brush up करना पड़ेगा. And of course, Bajar, if you speak Arabic, you're welcome to call because I'm Arabic. मैं أتكلم. Not very good at talking. I understand what I said.
أنا أعرف عربي شوي شوي.
श्वे मतलब बजट श्वे बोल रहे हैं लेकिन आज
I know a little bit.
फालतू नहीं seriously man, whatever it is now, you are totally तारीफ काबिल फालतू.
I know Alto Baba.
You are totally काबिल तारीफ. काबिल what is the difference between काबिल तारीफ and तारीफ काबिल बताओ.
काबिल तारीफ है काबिल man, somebody who's worthy of praise.
And what is काबिल तारीफ?
I don't know. काबिल तारीफ.
तारीफ है काबिल तारीफ में फर्क क्या है?
मुझे मालूम नहीं, मैंने नहीं बोला वो सब वर्ड. तू मिक्स करता है तो तू मिक्स कर.
अरे my job is to do word play.
Well, बलजान आप सुन रहे हैं द हॉट एंड हॉकिंग ड्राइव टाइम प्राइम टाइम जैम पैम पैम. एंड हम आपको बता दें कि आज हमारे शो पे हो रहा है ऑफ कोर्स तारीफ काबिल थर्सडे, जहाँ पे हम लोग वैसे देखिए हमें मालूम है आपके मन में कितना मतलब प्यार जगता है जब हमारा शो सुनते हैं आप, और आपको आपके मुंह से कितनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें निकलती हैं जब हमारा शो सुनते हैं. हाँ, कुछ लोग गाली भी देते हैं. क्या करें?
काय को हंसी अभी बताइए. What is this for you to laugh right now?
Some people, who knows, right? Some people think like different things. So who knows what anybody is thinking? There are people who are so jealous. ईर्ष्या से गाली निकलती है.
First and foremost, what I always told you in your life.
Positivity.
If there's something I've told you, you should take something from me. Like don't worry what other people think.
Okay.
Right? Worry only what a. Haven't I told you this?
Okay.
When you follow it, you actually see the difference, right?
Alto Baba, stop. Directly go to the point.
Yeah. Hello, excuse me. You were trying to get that, so who's going to stop?
तो हम लोग आपको बताने वाले हैं कि जैसे हम लोग वो अपने आप को बहुत underrated मानते हैं बंदे.
कौन?
हम लोग.
Oh yes, totally. Yeah.
We're totally
very humble that way.
We're very humble. कभी घमंड नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं बंदूजान. लेकिन फिर भी आपके दिल में इतना प्यार है कि आप हमें तारीफ काबिल मानते हो, राइट? तो वैसे ही कुछ ऐसे आर्टिस्ट हैं हिंदी सिनेमा में जो एक्चुअली ऑल ओवर इंडिया जिनको मतलब हम समझते हैं इतना माइलेज नहीं मिला। जैसे सोचो कि इंडियन सिनेमा में आज भी अगर आप सोचते हो व्हाट यू कॉल सिंगर्स के बारे में, प्लेबैक सिंगर्स के बारे में एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, राइट, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड is people like Mohammad Rafi Saab, Kishore Kumar Saab, Mukesh Saab, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle. How many of us actually think about the other singers? Indian cinema has had a plethora of singers, right?
Let us see if people actually can recognize, you know, when I say recognize, आप हमें कॉल करो, इंडियन सिनेमा के 5 सिंगर्स के बारे में बताइएगा. How about that?
हाँ.
A challenge to everybody out there.
हाँ.
5 singers you can think of.
Correct.
कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479.
अगेन 408-912-2479 ये है स्टूडियो का नंबर आपके लिए, तो जल्दी जल्दी डायल करिएगा और यहाँ पे कॉल करिएगा. वी जस्ट वांट टू नो 5 सिंगर्स इन इंडियन सिनेमा हु यू लाइक. नो वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्राइवेट सिंगर्स, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट, वैसे तो ढेर सारे लोग हैं यू नो जो प्राइवेट बैंड्स हैं, इंडी बैंड्स हैं, इंडी सिंगर्स, उसके लिए अलग शो होगा, राइट, बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल who are performers of playback singers, right, for Indian cinema.
Yep.
And we're asking about those people, and if you have somebody that pops into your mind, especially in current day generation, right, जो हमने मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब उस ज़माने का जब हमने जिक्र किया तो हमें obviously ये कहना पड़ता है कि that is the reason महिमा जी started महिमा के अनमोल नगमे to rekindle and rejuvenate our memories with regard to the other wonderful singers who were there, like the Suman Kalyanpurs, like the Talat Mahmoods, like the
अभी फालतू तो अगर सबको सभी प्लेबैक सिंगरों का नाम बोल दिया ना,
हाँ.
तो क्या होगा बताओ.
that's true.
See, मतलब they already know, so now we want to check in the mind space जो भी है ना. अभी आप अगर ठक से मैं आपको बताऊं कि हेलो नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में, मोहम्मद रफी मर्चेंट साहब, थोड़ा प्ले अलॉन्ग विद मी, ओके. आप बताओ हमें, आपके जहन में 5 म्यूजिक फिल्म हमारे इंडस्ट्री के प्लेबैक सिंगरों के नाम बताइएगा. 5 मेल, 5 रुको 5 मेल 5 फीमेल बताओ.
हाँ. मन्ना डे,
हाँ,
तलत महमूद,
हाँ,
रफी,
हाँ,
मुकेश,
वेरी गुड,
साइकिल.
ओके फाइन, 5 हो गया मेल. ओके, अभी फीमेल बताओ. फीमेल.
सुलेखना पंडित.
ओके,
सुलेखना पंडित.
हाँ,
और वो आपके कल्याण,
हमारे
कल्याण पूरी है,
हमारी पूरी है, सुमन कल्याणपुर.
कल्याणपुर,
हाँ,
कल्याणपुर है वो भी,
सुमन कल्याणपुर. हाँ, और हमारी लता किसकी है?
आशा जी.
आशा जी किसकी है? हमारी सुमन कल्याणपुर हो गई. सुरैया, वेरी गुड. 5 आपने, अरे आपके लिए तो बहुत इजी है सर, आपने तो पूरे 8 डिकेड्स ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा को आपने एंजॉय किया है, तो वेरी गुड. तो लीजिए, आपका मैं ऑलरेडी ले लिया, मतलब वेरी गुड. तो आप बताइए हमें कि अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे. he brought up all the singers very popular, kind of popular, right? लेकिन आपने सर, you didn't talk about किशोर कुमार. Why?
हाँ, किशोर कुमार.
हाँ, why you didn't talk about? आपने 5 में से सैगल लगा, लेकिन किशोर कुमार निकाल दिया वहां से. वाह, ये बहुत साइडिंग कर रहा है. वेरी गुड है. देखो, इसे कहते हैं नजरअंदाज हो जाना, राइट, ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन पिक अ फ्यू ऑफ देम. बट सर आप बताइए, आपका फेवरेटेस्ट सिंगर कौन है?
सिंगर
फेवरेटेस्ट, अगर किसी को आपको चॉइस एक ही सिंगर का सुन सकते हो गाना, किसका सुनोगे आप?
मैं साइकिल का.
ओह वाह,
अरे वाह,
वेरी गुड.
क्यों सर?
व्हाई इज दैट?
भाई आई लाइक हिम.
एनी पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग ऑफ हिज आपको पसंद है?
और किशोर कुमार.
नहीं, एक ही, ओनली वन. नो.
अगर
मचन साहब, हाँ,
किशोर कुमार और मुकेश साइकिल को गुरु मानते थे अपना.
हाँ सर, लेकिन अभी बताइए उनका साइकिल साहब का गाना कौन सा आपको पसंद है?
भाई गाना ऐसा है कि आप जी के क्या करेंगे जब दिल ही टूट गया.
बिकॉज ही sang that song, you like him, हाँ?
और साइकिल का दूसरा गाना
कौन सा?
रूही 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 तू है सपनों की रानी, मेरे सपनों की रानी. ये भी शाहजहान का है गाना.
वेरी गुड सर, आपका हमने ले लिया है आंसर, एंड डेफिनेटली आई विल सी इफ आई कैन प्ले अ सॉन्ग ऑफ साइकिल साहब फॉर यू. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
साइकिल का जरूर सुनाना।
अरे
बिल्कुल
सुनिएगा
सर,
सर,
thank
आपके
you so
लिए
much.
फिर लेके आएंगे आपके लिए। एंड ऑफ कोर्स फाल्गुनी,
हाँ.
देखा इनका तो व्हेन यू आस्क्ड हिम, व्हेन यू हैड टू पुट हिम ऑन द स्पॉट, राइट?
हाँ.
ये तो ऑफ कोर्स मोहम्मद मर्चेंट साहब तो बोल दिया ऑलरेडी। तो बनुजन आप लेट्स सी इफ यू कैन गिव अस अ कॉल हियर। नाउ अनफॉर्चुनेटली द एलिमेंट ऑफ सरप्राइज इज गॉन
हाँ.
बिकॉज़ वी ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड इट ऑन एयर। सो probably you will have to prepare, you can think about it, you can Google and call us also. But you have to tell us only, well, no, you got to call us, we'll ask you later on. Yeah. Number to call 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479. Right, Falguni?
And we want to tell everybody who's joining us on Facebook, wish you a very, very beautiful evening with Pam Pam Manajan. हमें मालूम है आप में से काफ़ी सारे लोग लॉन्ग वीकेंड की तैयारी में होंगे, सोच रहे होंगे अभी ताहो का तो चला गया, it burned up in the flames.
Oh, wow.
So what do we do? Well, nothing. Stay home, Manajan. Listen to Radio D Hotties and enjoy the shows that we do right here.
Yes.
And हम ये भी बताना चाहते हैं कि आपको अगर आज एक म्यूजिकल ट्रीट है, आई वुड थिंक कुछ ऐसे सिंगर्स हैं हिंदी सिनेमा में, सी इवन सैगल साहब एक्चुअली वाज वेरी पॉपुलर इन हिज टाइम।
एक जमाने में
Today we are talking about people who are underrated singers. Manja, we're not asking just like, you know, tell us 5 playback singers बोले तो we don't want you to, we want you to exclude Mukesh, Rafi, Kishore, Lata, Asha.
Yeah.
We want you to exclude these names.
Correct. So now what I'm going to play is definitely I'm going to play a song of you for Mohammed Murchant Saab.
Huh.
The song which he asked about.
Huh.
Which one, Falguni?
Which one, Alta Baba?
It's from this movie called Shahjahan.
Correct.
Right? And I'm going to play a song which he asked for. उनका favorite है, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे call करना पड़ेगा. We want you to give us 5 names of playback singers who you know. Right?
Playback singers, Manajan, who you know,
Yeah.
and we would really want you to think about it. And if you feel any of them are highly underrated singers, मतलब उनका अगर एक भी गाना अच्छा हो आपके जहन में, आपने सुना है और आपको लगता है सभी को सुनना चाहिए, आज यहाँ पे कॉल करके बताएं 408-912-2479. Again 408-912-2479.
के खजाने हैं, दौलत के पैमाने हैं, जुल्फे रातों की जवानी, मेरे सपनों की रानी, रूही रूही। मेरे सपनों की रानी, मेरे सपनों की रानी, रूही 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 रूही, मेरे सपनों की रानी। आंखें नींदों के खजाने हैं, जो उल्फत के पैमाने हैं। आंखें नींदों के खजाने हैं, जो उल्फत के पैमाने हैं। झूठे रातों की जवानी, झूठे रातों की जवानी, सपनों की रानी। माथे पे चांद उतर आए, होठों पे भंवरा मंडलाए। माथे पे चांद उतर आए, होठों के भंवरा मंडलाए। मुखला फूलों की कहानी, मुखला फूलों की कहानी, सपनों की रानी, मेरे सपनों की रानी।
आपको मजा आया पेंशन सॉन्ग मोहम्मद साहब आपके लिए, बच्चे साहब आपके लिए स्पेशल था गाना ऑफ कोर्स। एंड ये गाना जो है फातोड़ी, इट्स स्टारिंग इवन सैगल साहब हिमसेल्फ, बिकॉज सैगल साहब वाज अ सिंगिंग स्टार।
हाँ.
उनके जमाने के सिंगिंग स्टार। एक जमाना था मनोरंजन जहाँ पे स्टार्स ही गाते थे, स्टार्स ही एक्ट करते थे, वो लोग ही डांस करते, सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग वाज डन बाय देम।
Correct.
हाँ, द म्यूजिक वाज बाय नौशाद साहब एंड यू नो द I think Likhai, I don't know who it was, but anyways, probably some of Bandhus might know, they can share also about it. And number to call again, Manjan, 40891222479. पता नहीं.
हाँ.
तो जब हम लोगों से पूछ रहे हैं तो काफी सारे लोग Facebook बोल रहे हैं, very hard बोल रहे हैं. To think
क्या?
about.
What? How is
Yeah.
it very hard to think about?
Come on, think about it and give us a call here. All we asking you to name 5 music singers, playback singers.
Huh.
Of course, remove out. You're not supposed to talk about Mukesh, Rafi, Kishore, and who else?
Lata Asha.
Lata Asha. Those
Yeah,
5 people.
Or Shreya and Sunidhi.
Oh, even that.
Or
also.
Arijit Singh.
Even that also remember.
You will.
Or Kumar Sanu.
Well, here's the thing, Manijan. All of them cannot feature together.
No, you can't.
You cannot. You
Yeah.
can possibly take 1 or 2 from here. So think about it. Look at how our minds have been programmed by these commercial companies and these big production companies. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है टाइप्स, तो बस उनका चेहरा बार 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 उनके गाने बार बार
लगाते हैं, बार बार
बजवा के हमें सिर्फ ऐसे लगता है कि ओ माय गॉड यही अमेजिंग सिंगर है. बाकी के और सारे भी इतने सारे सिंगर्स हैं जो हमारे हिसाब से तारीफ काबिल हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स काफ़ी अंडररेटेड सिंगर्स हैं जिनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलने चाहिए. वैसे सिंगरों को आज हम लोग आपके सामने पेश करने वाले हैं. आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 पे. द नंबर कॉल आज 408-912-2479. You're listening to Mahima Spam Pam right here on Radio Day Hotties. Hello.
हाँ, मर्चेंट साहब कैसे?
फालतू भाई अल्लाह का बड़ा कर्म है यार, आपने फालतू बाबा तबियत खुश कर दिया अल्लाह की कसम.
अरे सर मैं तो रोज करता हूँ आपको तबियत खुश. अभी क्या सर सडनली ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे?
कुछ सिलेक्टेड आइटम्स ऐसे हैं कि उसमें सुनने में बड़ा मजा आता है.
ऑफ कोर्स रूही
और
तो
ये साइकिल को हमने हमारे बचपन में याद आ गया.
देखा.
और दूसरी बात साइकिल की ये बताओ मैं आपको कि वो म्यूजिक खुद अपना कंपोज करते थे.
हाँ सही है.
यानी ही वाज ए वंडरफुल म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर आल्सो.
हाँ लेकिन इस गाने के लिए तो ऑफकोर्स नौशाद साहब ने लिखा था ना?
नहीं नौशाद ने तो लिखा था. नौशाद तो उस जमाने में सही थे ना भाई.
हाँ वही ना. हाँ
मगर गाने में तो भाई साइकिल था, जगमोहन था.
वाह
तो जगमोहन का भी जवाब नहीं.
वंडरफुल. सो सर थैंक यू सो मच.
एक दुर्रानी भी था, गाता था वो भी. काफी गाने वो भी सिंगर. ही वाज वेरी गुड सिंगर.
यस
कई फिल्मों में उसने भी गाने दिए सर दुर्रानी ने.
सर आपको अच्छा लगा ना?
अरे भाई मेरा तो तबीयत खुश हो गया
बस.
और मैं आज खाना 2 निवाले ज्यादा खाऊंगा.
खा लो सर आराम से खा लो आज. बस
सपनों की रानी.
वेरी गुड सर.
मेरे सपनों की रानी.
फर्स्ट क्लास सर. तो आज तो बिरयानी बनेगी आपके घर पे फॉर श्योर.
बिरयानी तो हम आपको मिलेंगे तो खाएंगे ना मिलके.
अरे मिलके
तो फालतू रानियों तो $600 का क्या हुआ भाई? कब आएंगे
फालतू $600?
सर आपने
प्रॉमिस किया अभी तो तेरे पॉकेट में देना पड़ेगा अभी.
अरे मैंने क्या वो आपने अप्लाई करना होता है सर. आपने कांटेक्ट किया आपके जो सोशल वर्कर हैं या जिनके साथ आप काम करते हो?
नहीं कहीं भी घर में बैठते कुछ करते ही नहीं तो क्या
सर आप
करेंगे?
आप एक काम करो, आप टेंशन ना लो, लोड ना लो. हम लोग ना बाद में बात करेंगे बिकॉज आज के शो पे वी टॉकिंग अबाउट तारीफ काबिल.
करेक्ट.
जैसे कि आपने भी
तो अगर हमारे लाइफ को खिदमत है तो आई एम ऑलवेज एट योर सर्विस.
सर एक बताओ मुझे, आप तो उर्दू के माहिर ये हो, आप महान ये हो, तो तारीफ काबिल तारीफ में क्या फर्क है?
उल्टा सुल्टा
ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ तो रहेगा. आप ये अच्छा नहीं है.
69 नहीं ना
सर. ये ठीक नहीं है सर. एक मिनट
नंबर में. हाँ
एक मिनट सर ये ठीक नहीं है. अगर देयर शुड बी डिफरेंस ना. कभी कभार यूं तारीफ काबिल बोलते हैं.
उसमें कोई डिफरेंस है नहीं ना. देयर इज नो डिफरेंशिएट, नो डिफरेंस.
हाउ?
बस है नहीं. जैसे ये आप वर्ड्स लेते हैं ना 6 and 9. 69 या 69 और 96
या 88.
हाँ 88 अलग हो जाता है.
सर 69 और 96 में बहुत फर्क है.
हाँ 8 में फर्क नहीं है.
नहीं
89
और 96 में कोई फर्क नहीं है.
नहीं सर आप समझे नहीं मेरी बात. सुनो
डाइस उल्टा पकड़ लिया है तो आप 96 बोलेंगे
सर. इसी वही तो बोल रहा हूँ सर. मेरी बात सुनो. आप मेरी बात को आराम से सुनो. 88 में फर्क नहीं होता है. 88 इधर भी 88 उधर भी 88. करेक्ट.
11 में फर्क नहीं होता है.
11 में समटाइम फर्क होता है. अरबिक में 11 को अलग ऐसे अलग लिखते हैं.
अच्छा
तो सर तो 88 ठीक है ना. 88 लाइक एग्जांपल क्या बोलते हो? तारीफ काबिल लाइक 88.
88
88 इस तरफ से भी 88?
ठीक है,
इस तरफ से भी देखा सर, क्या हम लोग हैं ना तारीफ काबिल, क्या बोलते हैं आप?
बिल्कुल
हमने नहीं बताया, हमने
भाई तारीफ तो ऐसा है कि तारीफ उस खुदा की जिसने जहां बनाया,
अरे वाह,
अरे वाह
बिल्कुल
सर।
बिल्कुल।
और उस जहां में फालतू रानी और आलतू बाबा को पैदा किया।
हाँ सर, सर ये हुई ना काबिल तारीफ बातें।
और
ये काबिल तारीफ बातें, वेरी गुड।
फालतू रानी को बोलो हंसो हंसो हंसो।
नहीं सर, एक मिनट। और तारीफ काबिल उस खुदा की जिसने ये खूबसूरत बंधुत्व बनाया,
वाह
जहाँ हाँ
नहीं, जिसने ये खूबसूरत रेडियो हाथी बनाया।
अरे वाह वाह सर, ये हुआ काबिल तारीफ बातें। वाह,
तारीफ काबिल बातें।
सेम अभी बोला ना 88 सेम डिफरेंस है यार, तुम इस तरफ देखो उस तरफ देखो, सेम होता है। बट सर थैंक यू सो मच। आप हाँ बोलो।
आपने ये कि जब रेडियो खो गया, जब रेडियो खो गया, अब कैसे रेडियो हाटी, अब कैसे रेडियो हाटी, हम कब कब सुनेंगे, हम कब कब सुनेंगे।
इसका रिस्पॉन्स, अभी इसका रिस्पॉन्स, जब जब आप सुनोगे आप खुशी पाओगे। वेरी गुड सर, थैंक यू सो मच। आपका ये क्रिएटिव थिंग मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, एंड ऐसे ही आप रहेगा, हंसते रहेगा एंड हंसाते रहेगा।
माशाल्लाह, आज बड़ा खुश हूँ। आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी टुडे।
वेरी गुड सर, थैंक यू सो मच। आप हमारे फर्स्ट कॉलर ऑफ द शो हो एंड आपने कॉल करके ओपन कर दिया सैगल साहब के वंडरफुल आवाज के साथ। तो सुनते रहिएगा, और भी बाकी सिंगर्स भी आएंगे और इस जमाने के सिंगर्स से भी आप वाकिफ होंगे, क्योंकि आज हम उनको भी आपके सामने उनके जो गाने हैं उसको भी पेश करने वाले हैं।
वाकिफ, ब्यूटीफुल,
आलतू बाबा,
I was reading that.
मजाक उड़ा रहा है मेरा।
नहीं क्या तू काबिल तारीफ बातें करती है, माय गुडनेस।
तारीफ काबिल बात ही करती है।
सेम डिफरेंस यार, उन्होंने बता दिया ऑलरेडी। 88 इधर से 88, उधर से 88,
कुछ भी रे।
ओके फालतूनी, कम ऑन लेट्स गो कंटिन्यू फर्दर। तो फालतूनी हमारे बंधुओं को सोचे पड़ गए,
क्या ये मीनाक्षी जी आपके जहन में कोई नहीं आ रहा है क्या
बोल रहे हैं?
और ये विभा जी, ये सभी गीत गाता चल वाले सिंगर्स भी हैं, क्या आपको इतना रेडियो डिहॉटीज पे रह के आपके जहन में कोई मतलब हमारे बंधु जो कि इतने साल से आप हमारे गाने सुनते आ रहे हैं, आपके जहन में एक भी ऐसा सिंगर नहीं आ रहा है जो आपको लगता है कि जनरल बिग बॉलीवुड रेडियो वाले सिचुएशन में प्रमोट किया जा रहा है? आई मीन हु नीड्स मोर प्रमोशन और हु इज काइंड ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ अंडररेटेड, आपको नहीं लगता है? आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479। एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर है 408-912-2479। दीपक पांड्या जी, आई सी यू जॉइनिंग अस ऑन फेसबुक, गुड इवनिंग टू यू। आप कॉल करिए सर, आप बताइए कि you have been fortunate enough to be in an era when Rafi Saab and Kishore Saab and all these people were performing live. I think they said that they went to a Lata Ji wala concert also sometime.
Oh really? Wonderful. So here's what I'll do, Faltwani. I want to make sure we can ruffle some leaves over there, right? Because बंधु साले, oh my God, sweet, it's a topic, तारीफ़ काबिल. Don't worry बंजन, आपने यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479 पे 408-912-2479 पे कॉल कीजिएगा। एक गाना लगाऊंगा, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा who the particular singer could be. How about that?
Who is this particular singer? आपको बताना पड़ेगा, कान लगा के ध्यान से सुनिएगा।
I will mention the lyricist also for you, Amitabh Bhattacharya.
Oh,
right?
My favorite.
And इसमें ना there actually are two new singers. One is Gopi Sundar. Okay, I want to know who the lady singer is, right?
Yeah.
It is from a movie which is very famous.
Okay? Very famous movie.
Very famous movie. But we have a caller waiting in line. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के एक तारीफ़ काबिल थर्सडे में। Who's this? Hello.
पैम पैम folks.
पैम पैम.
पैम पैम.
क्या फोक्स बोल रहे हैं हमें?
हाँ, हम फोक्स वैगन हैं।
फोक्स
पैम पैम बंधु।
हाँ ऐसा बोल रहे हैं। हाँ। तो कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ।
हाँ बताइए।
So I think you guys have already mentioned some of these
We're talking about underrated singers, right? Today?
No, we're talking about singers who are on your mind right now. Give us 5 singers minus Kishore, Rafi, Mukesh.
Okay, let's just
Asha
see who
Lata.
are on her. Then all these people will go on her
Okay,
mind, right?
That's a
for
good
the-
idea, no, Paswadi. That's
Tulsi Kumar is one.
Tulsi Kumar. Who's Tulsi Kumar?
Right, it's okay.
Okay,
It's
we'll
her
take it.
choice. Okay.
Then
Tulsi Kumar. Then another one is this guy. क्या नाम है? KK. KK is another singer.
okay.
Then और कौन है?
Gee, it's hard.
You guys already talked about Talas Mahmood. That's another one.
Okay, we'll take Talas Mahmood. Okay, fine. Talas Mahmood will take it. Okay,
Benny Dayal
Oh, very good.
nice.
Not bad.
Okay.
Not bad. Okay, and
and Harshdeep Kaur.
Harshdeep.
good,
Very
okay.
good. I'm impressed. You gave us 5
ये
names.
मैंने पांच
हाँ, बस काफी है, बस काफी है. लेकिन आप बताइए आपका in anybody who you really like minus those 5 people I talked about.
Benny Dayal, I think, is very talented. Unfortunately, again, one of those, underrated people. Tulsi Kumar is the lady who sang that song.
Extra credit नहीं मिलेगा आपको by the way.
कौन तुझे
Extra
कौन
credit,
तुझे
extra.
ये प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं
Extra
करती हूँ. You know that song?
आपको extra credit नहीं मिलेगा. Hello.
One person.
Only one person.
One person you need to
You
pick.
got to pick only one. Tulsi
Okay,
Kumar.
then I would pick Benny Dayal then.
There you
Yes,
go.
good choice.
Which song do you like of Benny Dayal?
उसके तो सारे गाने अच्छे हैं, but I think one song that really that I enjoy of his would be, let's see, I'm trying to think here. Because Pappu, I like Pappu Can't Dance. He was, do you know he sang in Pappu Can't Dance?
Yes.
Of
Yeah.
course.
We of course know because we did the Benny Dayal show.
Exactly. We're the only one who put money where our mouth was.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That was super duper evil.
that's one song of his I like. And then apart from that, just one song, right? We're only singing one?
Yeah. Only one.
Or
but
you can tell us.
See, songs you can tell us 1 or 2 for sure, but singer only one you
Then
can pick.
another song that I really like of his, जो उन्होंने गाया था, is from that movie The Gentleman, Dil Disco Disco Bole Sari Raat Sajna. That's a good song.
Dil Disco
उसके अलावा,
Disco Bole
you know
Sari
that song
Raat
from the movie
Sajna?
Bang Bang, title track, he sang that.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also that song he sang, Let's Nacho from Kapoor and Sons, a really nice.
There's one song that you're missing, Vibha, which brought him into that song is iconic with Ranbir Kapoor.
Badtameez Dil.
Badtameez Dil.
Huh.
Yeah. But I'm not going to play
Yeah.
Badtameez Dil right now.
Okay. Why?
I'm going to play a different song.
Okay,
Why?
we'll play another song.
Yeah, it's all about playing songs people wouldn't have thought
Any song
of.
of his is good. His voice is amazing. So
Yeah.
any song of his, my ears will be happy.
Woohoo! Okay.
Sauce, what?
Awesome sauce.
Very good.
Okay, so thank you. Good choice. We will definitely line up Benny's song. And Bandhujan, like this, you can pick from some of the singers that Vibha mentioned. If that is part of, if you don't have 5 singers on your list, you can pick from some of the others, and then you can share. But you have to give us a singer that comes into your mind who you think is somebody who song needs to be featured today.
And you cannot pick Kishore, Rafi, Mukesh, Manade, Asha and Lata ji.
And Shreya and Sunidhi, Arijit Singh.
I keep adding, no worries. Kumar Sanu also you can't pick.
Yeah,
No Kumar Sanu,
Kumar
yes,
Sanu
no
also.
Kumar Sanu
Sorry,
either.
Kumar Sanu को unwanted
Mileage already मिल गया.
हाँ, so thank you so much for that, Vibhaji. सुनते रहेगा, and we'll play a nice song and come back to your song also.
Yes.
And number to call your on 4089122479 40891224792. So I would definitely play Vibhaji's thing, but I'm gonna play a song right now, Fatwani. I think this singer is a wonderful singer. Another November 2nd born actually said that this person is like a nightingale.
Yes.
Yeah, but there was also unfortunately the politics of
The Me Too movement.
politics of women who come out and call out on people. right? How they actually subdue them.
She spoke up.
Yeah, she spoke up and they totally subdued her, and she was not able to get any more projects.
Even today, they don't give her projects, Banujan, because she called out a very famous Tamil lyricist who is very, 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 very famous. And she called out even famous Carnatic classical vidwans who are supposed to be, Carnatic classical music is supposed to be the music of the gods, they say.
Yeah.
And she called out the Me Too that happens, the kind of exploitation that women are put through, even to perform in these sabhas, which are supposedly prestigious sabhas in Chennai. And she talked about how hard it is. And just because she spoke up against it, there were harassment threats, there were rape threats against her, and now the industry has shunned her because she spoke up against it. But for us, we think that she's an exceptionally talented singer. Who is this person that we're talking about? She's very versatile. This is one of the songs, and then there's another song that we can play, which is a totally oomph-filled song, right, Altbaba?
Of course, but this song also is very nice, Falguni. And I really think you can make out the voice how melodious it is.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can recognize who this is. 4089122479. Definitely a Tarife Kabil voice, Patajan. एक और बार नंबर टू कॉल 4089122479.
बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. हाथ से ये कैसे अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधेरों को कोई नूर. बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
सिर्फ कह आसमां पे लिख दूं तेरी तारीफों में चश्म बदलूं.
के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
Call in Bandhujan and tell us who is this beautiful voice. The phone number is 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा 408-912-2479. You're listening to Radio D Hotties, where music, entertainment, excitement, everything just keeps getting hotter.
तेज तीर कितने छोड़े दाने दाने बातें तेरी उड़ते फिरते पंछियों के रुख भी मोड़े.
अधूरी थी जरा सी मैं पूरी हो रही हूँ तेरी सादगी में होके चूर. बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
People don't know Falguni.
Oh my God, Altbaba, really? Really, Altbaba, they don't know?
No, they don't.
Oh no. Nahi, please, Bandhujan. I'm pretty sure you know. If you don't
Well,
know.
I would hope they would know. This
I
kind of talented people, you must know and recognize talent, right?
Yes, Bandhujan.
That's important.
Yes.
तो एक और मौका आपके लिए.
रात
रेबका बच्चन, क्या आपको पहचानने में मुश्किल हो रही है बच्चन? इम्पॉसिबल. देखो यार, देखो इवन फॉर द मैटर केके आल्सो, राइट? विभा जी बोल रही थी कि केके के बारे में बात किया. वंडरफुल. एंड यू नो, या केके एक सर्टेन लेवल उनके टाइम पे फेमस थे.
Well,
but still underrated.
Yeah, still underrated. I think.
Who is KK contemporary of?
He's a contemporary of everybody. Shankar, Sonu. He came at a time when there were the heavyweights.
नहीं, Sonu के time पे क्या?
Yeah. He's even
90s.
He's slightly earlier than Sonu also.
Really?
Yeah. Slightly earlier than Sonu, sir.
Achha, but the people don't have to recognize who this person is. Is it because the song also is famous, right?
See, KK, Shan, Sonu, Shankar Mahadevan, all these people were singing, and they came in at a time when they were also private album singers. They used to have their own music. They had their own bands. They performed there. And for the longest time, I think KK even performed for Preetham. Even today, Preetham uses KK a lot for his music.
No, because KK is a very interesting voice. If you don't know, you might not able to connect his name to. Unfortunately, KK is matlab Kumar Sanu. And wait, Kumar Sanu, Kishore Kumar, what people will think of.
Kumar Sanu is not KK.
People think K matlab वही होगा ना. That's unfortunate thing, right?
Yeah.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के तारीफ़े काबिल थर्सडे में. Who's this? Hello.
Pam 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 pam.
आ गई ना एक और तारीफ़े काबिल सिंगर. एक और तारीफ़े काबिल सिंगर आ गई हमारी बेवुड की स्पेशल सिंगर.
हमारी अंडरकवर रॉकस्टार.
Thank you.
Yeah, Deepa, I was thinking, Deepa, you actually know, you would be typically, if at all we have our own industry over here in the Bay Area.
Yeah.
She would be like one of those, Lata Mangeshkars or.
No.
Asha Bhonsle.
No, she would be Deepa
Suman Kumar,
Jorapur.
thank you very
No,
much.
she would be Deepa Jorapur because Deepa has her own style of singing.
Yeah, Deepa can sing or like you said idare gundu like Malasri only.
Not Malasri, Manjula Gurraj.
Manjula Gurraj.
Mix of all the singers.
My God, that's true. Huh? Hey, but very good, yeah. Let me ask you, Deepa, you should actually find very difficult.
Yeah.
First, top of your head, 5 singers. Come on, top of your head. 5.
Oh, top of your head.
Yeah, don't think.
Kavita Krishnamurthy.
Okay.
Go on.
I like Kavita Krishnamurthy a lot. Geeta Dutt.
Okay.
And
Don't think.
Lata, of course.
No.
Don't think. Top of your head.
हाँ. Sunidhi.
हाँ.
4 हो गए. 4 हो गए ना
you're
already?
thinking. See, that's no problem. See, you should not think, Baba.
No.
Top of your head. हाँ.
And
Yes,
no.
You're thinking.
Some
You can't use Sunidhi. You can't use Lata.
rustic. क्यों?
Yeah, you're not allowed to because they're pumped into our heads already. Enough.
So minus. So you got to give us 2 more. So you said who are Kavita Krishnamurthy? Okay, I'll take it.
Geeta Dutt, okay.
Geeta Dutt will take it. You got to give 3 more. Come on. Don't think too much.
Suraya.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay,
Next.
good. Okay.
Good. Huh.
हाँ. आशा भोसले.
No.
No.
नहीं. Some.
So hard. My God.
Right?
Deepa, it's so hard. My God.
That Shilpa Rao.
Shilpa, okay. I'll take. Okay, good. Okay. Then one more.
Yes.
Don't
Shilpa Rao,
think.
Alisha Chennai.
Okay, fine. We'll take it. Good.
Okay.
I love her.
You know what happened,
Yes.
Faldwani?
Huh.
You know, because the pressure put on her, she didn't focus on any male singer.
Yeah.
But that's good. Hey, that's good, yeah.
That's good. Surprisingly. अरे मेल में 5 दूंगी ना उसमें
नहीं चाहिए
नहीं चाहिए
we talked about
तेरे जहन में कौन है. I'm very happy she gave all women names.
I am also happy.
Yeah, women are so
Yes.
empowerment.
No, I told Deepa, I'll tell you what. The reason I put pressure on people is because when you actually do this right, your mind is going to start shaking up, like, you know, what's happening now.
Okay, think a song. I'm pretty sure when you thought of Shilpa Rao, you thought about a song.
What song was it?
What song was it?
या शिल्पा राव का वो इसमें रंगीला में एक है और इसमें भी है.
Okay, now you gave us 5 names.
One song,
Wait,
Nayak.
Hold on. You gave 5 singers. You need to pick only 1 singer now. Who do you pick?
Shilpa Rao, please. बेचारे, she has a very good wavelength वगैरह बहुत अच्छा था उसका, but it's like very modern voice. इसीलिए शायद उसको ज़्यादा chances नहीं दिए गए.
Okay.
You know, in Bollywood, it's always like if it is like very, very sweet voice, then only you get to choose, huh? I mean, you get the chances, like very, very sweet.
How come I didn't get though?
So tell us a few songs of Shilpa Rao.
Shilpa Rao, I told you, right? There are 2 songs, I think. Mostly A.R. Rahman gave her chances.
No.
Yeah.
No, Amit Trivedi gave her.
I think, top of my head, I think in Rangila and Nayak, Shakalaka Baby, I think she sang that. Shakalaka Baby, you get to break, yes. I think that she sang that. I don't know.
Isn't she the one who sang in the song Yariyan from Cocktail? Cocktail.
That's Sunidhi. Dard bhi hai deti. That's Sunidhi Chauhan. But Shilpa Rao is the voice in Bulaya. Is dil inkar ke bahani. That portion the
लेकिन
female.
उसका बहुत कम portion है ना. Little older, I think.
So
yeah,
tell
there
me-
are quite a few songs.
She's
So any song you can, which you think is nice, you can play.
she sung some there's a beautiful song in English that she has sung, which is Gustakh Dil, right? I don't know if you've heard that song.
Oh, Gustakh Dil Tere Liye.
No, that's not the song. That is not the song.
Okay, I was playing. My God.
And then
नहीं,
I think
तुम
it's
दोनों decide करो and actually एक और
नहीं, नहीं,
main
Deepa.
Hey, she's
चीज़ है,
fairly
आज
Hey,
का
wait,
मतलब
Deepa.
मेरा
दीपा क्या कह रही हो?
intention.
दीपा हमने कभी ऐसे किया है? हमने कभी we always take your decision, right?
अरे मैं ओहो अयो दे रे
Yeah.
We-
What, Deepa? So, Deepa, we
No,
always
Deepa,
take a
Deepa.
decision and we
मैं
override it.
गाने दूंगी और
Wait.
तुमको जो चाहिए वही बजाते
Wait, I'm setting up the punchline. Wait.
Huh.
We always give you the decision, right? And then we override it at the finish.
So Deepa, ek cheez hai, Shakalaka was not sung by her. The person you're thinking of, which A.R. sir gave a lot of opportunities to, was Vasundhara Das.
Sundar Das.
So not Shilpa Rao.
Okay.
Shilpa Rao is more the husky voiced Shilpa Rao. All her songs, she has good songs. She has songs from Salame Ishq. She's got all the songs after 2009. A lot of her songs are after that. 2006, 2000.
Then I think Vasundhara. I mean, she also comes in the same lines of.
I'm
these
sorry,
singers, like
you can't.
Sunidhi,
Yes, you are right.
Sunidhi and
Yes, you're right, but you
Shilpa
can't
Rao.
change.
You can't change. You chose Shilpa Rao.
You
That's
chose
not-
already. Now we
not-
got. Sorry.
ठीक है हाँ, वो दूसरे को ले लो फिर.
Manmarji has hers, by the way.
Vasundhara.
Manmarji has her. Also, Khuda Jane, she has sung with KK.
But Khuda Jane also, we can play. We not. How about we play Khuda Jane? Deepa, what do you think?
Yes, beautiful.
That's a nice song. In fact, that also
Yes.
got females got a good exposure also.
yeah.
ठीक है.
Hey, but you're very right. Shilpa never got the kind of exposure Shreya Ghoshal or for the matter.
Yeah.
And Deepa, I'm so disappointed, Deepa. You could not identify who sang Titli.
Who sang Titli,
कौन सा?
Deepa? Titli. Ban ke Titli dil uda, uda, uda.
वो
Who sang
वही
that?
होगी ना जो वसुंधरा whatever you said.
No.
शायद श्रेया घोषाल ही है वो.
My God.
Deepa, you really don't know who sang
That is
Titli?
why it's important. So I need to bring this kind of shows to
Yes,
people's life.
yes.
We did this show last time, similar to this in 2017.
We'll play another song of that singer, Altu Baba.
I think I
From
had lined up
Two-
already.
Do you have
Yeah,
it from
I think,
Tuesday?
I think I had it. Deepa,
okay.
I'll give one more chance to you, okay?
Listen to
to
this.
this song.
And tell us, of course.
You should know it because you were there when we had talked extensively about this particular singer.
Yes.
Yeah.
हाँ मैं सोचूंगी.
Look at the song.
दिमाग पे जोर लगाऊंगी.
Ye suno. This is another very popular song of hers. Suno.
Wasn't
Think,
she
think.
part of the concert also?
Yeah. Was she?
She was there.
Was she?
Oh, she
That
came
was the
second
second
time.
time,
Yeah, she
yeah.
came second time. Yeah. Suno.
Listen to this. You can listen to it on your phone.
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा
मोनालिसा
मेरे
को?
करीब
Oh, Mona Lisa, who?
मेरे हक
मोनालिसा को?
No.
सुनो.
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़हनसी
तेरे संग बीते हर लम्हे पे हमको नाज है तेरे संग जो ना बीते उस पे एतराज है इस कदर हम दोनों का बनना एक
जोनिका
राज
गांधी?
है
No.
Okay, you know what? I'll tell you what. This particular song is being composed by Vishal Shekhar. Shekhar Avjiani is the male voice.
He is also very underrated. Amazing singer.
Nobody talks about him. Nobody knows about him.
Yeah.
But this female singer, let me ask you, what do you feel tonality of the voice? Do you like it?
वो तीन सिस्टर्स है ना, शक्ति. What is that?
No,
Shakti,
it's not.
Shakti.
No. It is not her. She cannot pull off the range of
It
the
is not
singer.
needed.
Yeah, I don't
Sorry.
like her singing that much.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
like the personality of the person also, by the way.
Yeah.
No, we dealt with
No,
them.
we met
अच्छा
her.
We'll tell you
बता
openly.
दो अभी.
Yeah, we'll tell you.
No. How do you like the tonality of the voice?
No, it's very nice actually. It's very subtle, soothing. I
Yeah.
like it.
And also,
Depth पे है.
You
Huh.
know what you also will appreciate, Deepa, is the fact that this voice doesn't have an accent also.
And
Notice?
this voice doesn't even have a falsetto. She
Uh-huh.
doesn't go to a
Correct,
falsetto.
correct.
And this person is very underrated, Chinmay Sripada.
Oh yes. You फालतू रानी बहुत बात करती है इसके बारे में.
मैं बात नहीं करता क्या अभी सही में और नजरअंदाज करना ऐसा होता है यार. See, I'll tell you what, it's fine, you don't like me, it's okay, but at least acknowledge whatever I tell you.
ऐसा किसने बोला? आंटू बाबा.
अरे समझते सब लोग यार, आप ऐसे करते हो. फालतू नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
अरे नहीं देखो
चलेगा,
ये-
दीपा, we
देखो,
still love you.
ओके अभी मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, फालतू रानी जो लोगों के कुछ अभी देखो, एवरीबडी नोज दैट शी इज अ बिग फैन ऑफ अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य. ऐसे सो इट्स लाइक whenever she takes his name na.
Okay, let me ask you one thing. You know so much about Faltwadi. About me, who am I big fan? Who am I a big fan of?
Deepa, very easy to answer that question. Very
Who
easy to
am
answer.
I a big fan of?
Very easy to answer that question, Deepa. Very easy.
Don't try to give.
You are a big fan of yourself.
That's why you gave out the answer there.
No, I did not.
Yeah, go support her more. That's why she likes you.
She's a bandhu, yeah. She loves us.
अरे
That's
नहीं
why.
आंटू बाबा सच्ची में you are fan of yourself and बंधु बोला ना मैंने.
You know, if you ever spent any kind of discussion time with me, which you have actually, you should know that when I say I'm fan of myself, I'm a fan of everyone. Correct?
Yeah.
Because I
correct,
know that you are me and I am you, right? It's
Yes,
like that
yes.
particular thing, Nityananda Swami, right? You know, selfie. Hey, Father, have you seen the meme of the Nityananda Swami?
Huh.
That's such a nice. Have you seen that meme about selfie description?
What is it?
Selfie is me taking a photo of me in the form of a me, without me knowing.
Oh God!
Yeah.
No,
आंटू
no.
बाबा सीरियसली उसके बारे में
It's
बात
a
मत
photo
करो.
of me
अभी
taken
देखो,
by me in a
अभी
selfie.
सुनो.
हाँ.
अरे अभी सुनो मेरी बात. मैं एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज कहना चाहती हूँ. मैं कब से बोलना चाहती हूँ.
बोल डालना.
आज तेजस का बर्थडे है.
Oh my God! Happy
He is
birthday.
big 10. He turned 10 today.
क्या बात
Oh
है?
my God! Double digits.
Double digit. Yes.
Wow.
Okay, एक मिनट है. मैं फोन देती हूँ उसको.
Tejo!
Hello?
Tejo!
Hi, Teju. You know what? You're a rock star, man. You know
Yeah,
why?
man.
Because you're a Virgo, man.
Yes, man, you're totally
yeah.
a rock
Happy
star.
birthday. Okay, ready?
One, two, three.
go.
Happy birthday to you. Dun, dun,
Happy
dun.
birthday to you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Happy birthday,
dear
Tejo.
Tejo. Dun, dun, dun.
Tejas.
Tejas. Happy birthday to you. Dun, dun, dun. You know why I put 10 10?
Why?
10.
Dun, dun, dun.
10 10. Wonderful. So now that you're a big boy.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Well, okay, now that you're
Tejas, this is not fair, huh? This
Yeah.
is not fair.
I'm
Come
very
on.
disappointed.
You came so many times before when there was no occasion to celebrate. Today it's a celebratory occasion. You should have come here. We
Yeah,
could
Tejas.
all gone and eaten dosa, masala
Hey.
vada and all
I
that.
come on Saturday.
Yeah.
How can I come today? I can't interrupt your radio show. I'll come on Saturday.
Hey Tejo, you're actually a 10-year-old kid, oh man. You can actually tell your mom, you can boss her and tell her, I'm 10 years now, take me there.
Yeah, you're not the boss of me, mom. I'm
yeah,
telling you.
Yeah.
Yes, actually, that would have been wonderful. थोड़ा आज गड़बड़ हो गया प्लानिंग में. We should have
Tejo, see,
come
mom.
to studio.
Dekho, Tejo, see mom making excuses. These grown-ups are so bad.
अरे
Anyway.
नहीं, अरे चलो पूरा अभी अक्टूबर पूरा पड़ा है महीना.
Hey, hello.
We'll celebrate.
By the way, Deepa,
Huh.
see, Tejo is a nice kid. I love the guy. You are the person I have an issue with, actually.
Why, man?
Where's
What
the
did you do?
cake, man?
Huh, cake.
Deepa, everything is fine.
Yes, we'll bring the cake. We have cake. We'll bring the cake.
Dude, I know you, man. Don't worry. You're awesome. Man. I'm talking about your
And
mom.
he's a Virgo, so he'll do what he says.
That's why I like him, no,
Yeah.
Vatwani. I'm talking about Deepa. Deepa, what do you
We
man?
will come.
Yes, thank you, darling.
You have my word.
Yeah, thank you. Bro, I totally get you,
Thank
man.
you,
You're like awesome. You're the best. Your mom, I
Thank
tell
you,
you.
thank you.
Mom, I tell you. Mom, no, seriously. दीपा कुछ सीखना.
हो गया नहीं, मैं उसको दिया था मैंने फोन.
हाँ तो आप उससे सीखो कुछ ना.
क्या सीखना उसको?
हाँ देखो वो बात का पक्का बंदा है.
हाँ, I give you my word. ऐसे बोलता है.
word बोल
Wow.
दो.
Yes.
देखा लेकिन
वो बोल रहा था the other day, he was saying like, it's been a while. We went to Media Mahima Amma. Next time whenever you are going, I am coming. I want to go there. We have so much fun.
लेकिन बड़े लोग बच्चों की क्या सुनते हैं.
हाँ.
बड़े जो है ना इंडिया चले जाते हैं, वापस आने के बाद 2-3 बार कॉल करते हैं.
लेट से लॉगिन होते हैं. केक भूल जाते हैं बच्चे का. हाँ, बच्चे का नहीं, हमारे लिए.
हमारे नाम बच्चे ना.
But
thank you
Deepa,
so much, Deepa. I really appreciate the fact that you actually called up and you shared a memory with us.
Yes, and हम इंतजार करेंगे दीपा केक का सैटरडे को.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a
Bye-bye.
beautiful, fantastic evening. Chalo, bye.
Wonderful. So, by the way, we already discussed the person who we're talking about, Chinmay Sripada. Definitely a very underrated singer. She's a wonderful singer, actually. I think that, had there proper, should I say, if there was fairness in the world,
Yeah.
she would have actually overtaken the Shreya Ghoshals or the
And including Sunidhi Banjan,
Well,
because she
Sunidhi
can sing a very sultry song also.
Sunidhi has a very different kind of a thing.
Tonality.
Yeah, but I think she would have stood her own. Sunidhi ji, na? Sunidhi, Sonu. I'll tell you, man, they two are the two people I really appreciate. You know why?
Why?
They have that variety in their voice, and they've बचपन से गा रहे हैं. मतलब pretty much they exposed to. They are
Even Shreya
fun
is
cars.
like that, but
Yeah.
Shreya is
No, sorry.
more.
I've been to her concerts, dude.
Yeah, that's true, actually.
It's
but
the most boring thing in the world.
Well, with regard to Chinmay Banjan, these two are songs that you've heard which are the melodious songs. There is one song which will blow your mind. You'll be like, oh my God, is this her? And you, considering that she's South Indian and she's, you'll see there's no hint of an accent anywhere there. But opportunities नहीं मिलते हैं क्योंकि South Indian है.
Oh my God!
No, we're serious. No, we're serious. We're very serious, Banjan. This happens. This disparity happens in the Hindi film industry. There is a lot of disparity like this that happens. And now because she's even gotten involved in this whole hashtag Me Too mess, she's not given as many opportunities. It's really, really sad. Exceptionally good singer. She's got some amazing, beautiful songs.
I don't think hashtag Me Too should be considered a mess also because that's needed. That was needed to actually bring out those jerks out in the thing. But still, unfortunately, nothing is happening on the thing.
Yeah.
But it's dying its natural death.
No, it will not die a natural death.
People are already killing it, Faltu, unfortunately. But we got to keep it alive, right? We got to make sure we can talk about that thing and call out Bollywood, all the things they do.
Right.
But right now, Banjan, we got to go to the next song, which is a song which I lined up for Vibha.
Huh.
Benny Dayal's one thing she talked about.
Yeah.
We also totally love Benny Dayal. Benny's music is awesome.
Yeah.
Same with even Chinmay. We were the only people who actually brought them over here in America.
Correct.
And the first time they had a independent showing over here.
Right, absolutely. And these are singers, Banjan, who can single-handedly pull off a concert for 4 hours. 4.5 hours dancing and singing. What song are you playing? Oh, okay.
I don't know, Faltani, you want to play
What
some
song,
song?
Alva?
I don't. What song would you like to play, Faltani? It was like totally. What song are you playing?
I thought you were going to play Bang Bang.
Bang Bang. Okay.
I don't know which song you're going to
Whatever
play.
you say, Faltani. आपका हुक्म सराप पर Faltani. Come on, Bang Bang चाहिए ना आपको? Okay, Bang Bang. Faltani, अभी बात करो ना आप continue करो.
So, Banjan,
whatever you like, what is going to play?
Yes, Altu Baba, absolutely. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And of course, Banjan, those of you who are just joining us, we're talking about Tareef-e-Qabil singers right here on the Bam Bam Show. अगर आपको यहाँ पे शामिल होना है, आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479 पे. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा 4089122479. We got a couple of names. We got KK, we got Benny, we got Shilpa Rao. We'd like to know, who are the singers that are top of mind for you? 5 singers you need to rattle out. Call in 408-912-2479.
Benny Dayal, the Punctuation King.
Funk, 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 funk.
तेरी मेरी रातों ने किए हैं कुछ इरादे, मिली है जो अब ये मुलाकातें, कोई जादू होने को है.
तेरी मेरी हुई आंखों आंखों में जो बातें
चला है जादू जाने क्यों बैंग बैंग
रात भर बात कर तू मेरे साथ चल दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों
बैंग 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 जाने क्यों बैंग 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 जाने क्यों बैंग बैंग।
Alright, Banajan, I hope you enjoy the song. बनी दयाल काफी सारे गाने हैं बनाजान, but आगे बढ़ना भी है हमें, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. शिल्पा राव का एक गाना which who actually picked Shilpa Rao was Deepa, right?
Yes.
From the movie Bachna Hasino. के के साथ में विशाल शेखर कॉम्पोजिशन बनाजान एंड शिल्पा राव.
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ क्या ये सबको होता है
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ क्या ये सबको होता है
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ
खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा
I have a question about these reality shows come up right on multiple networks. American Idol बोलते हैं, all Indian Idol बोलते हैं, right? How many of them actually people know of?
तू कहे तो तेरे ही कदम के मैं निशानों पे चलूं रुकूं इशारे पे तू कहे तो ख्वाब का बना के मैं बहाना सा मिला करूं सिरहाने पे
हो तुमसे दिल की बातें सीखी तुमसे ही ये राहें सीखी तुम पे मर के मैं तो जी गया खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया
When I listen to a song, Fadwani, you know what I remember suddenly?
What?
That movie Old.
Why?
The beach.
Oh, the beach. Exactly.
But if you not see the movie, go see it. Night Shyamalan ka film hai, and scary? No, it's not scary. It was like predictable. I just knew what was going to happen towards the end. But the point is, Balajan, yeah, they were all going to grow old.
Huh, exactly.
Simple and plain, Balajan. The name title itself was a giveaway actually. But right now, Balajan, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Fadwani has got a particular singer who she thinks you might will not be able to recognize. Right, Fadwani? Or probably they might.
I
you
don't
think?
know.
No? Yes? What do you think? No? Yeah?
They may or they may not be able to.
But people are not able to actually come up with when we remove those 5 categories, right?
Right.
Kishore, Rafi,
Huh.
Mukesh, Manade, Asha, and Lata.
Huh.
People are not able to think of anything else.
Really?
Of course.
Wow.
What? Wow.
I think they can, Ray.
They are not able to give us a call, Ray.
Okay, Bandachan, we'd like to hear from you. See, today you learned about a new singer, not new singer, is a very good singer called Chinmay Sripada.
So we unearthed a voice which you
A
would have.
voice that many of you couldn't recognize whose voice it was. The songs you loved, right? Vibhaji,
Yeah.
I saw your posts on Facebook. Meenakshi ji also was posting, sending hearts and everything. So, which is great. Beautiful songs. But it's important to know कि ये कौन singers हैं.
Yeah, कौन?
जो पर्दे के पीछे गा रहे हैं लेकिन हम उनको इतना प्रमोशन नहीं मिलता है क्योंकि हमें मालूम है कि what goes into commercializing a star, right?
Yeah.
And how exactly all the the wonderful things and all the gand that goes with it. So those are the people that we're talking about today who definitely need the kadardan.
Kadardan.
Like all of you who appreciate good music and good entertainment.
Yeah.
So those are the people we're featuring on Radio Day Hotties.
Wonderful. So next singer you already lined up, Faltani?
Yes. So this singer, many of you may not even know. I'm pretty sure many people will not know Badijan. She has sung a lot of songs. But she is, she's sung a lot of songs in Tamil, and she's also sung a lot of songs in, actually even Telugu and even in Hindi.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Telugu, Hindi, she's South Indian?
No.
She's not?
No. Incidentally, she sings a lot of jazz and blues and rock, soft rock. So this is a beautiful voice. Suniega, tell us who this particular singer is. If you have heard the song, if you haven't heard it, it's a lovely number. I really like it. Suniega, enjoy कीजिएगा, and हमें call करके बताइएगा who could this person be. You can Google, yes, definitely. Why not, right? That'll be one more hit in that person's name. Here you go.
Magic Reunited के पहले कॉन्सर्ट में
That's very simple. That is Farhan Akhtar.
No, go ahead. Let the song start.
लीड गिटार पे है
जो कौन?
कीबोर्ड पे है रॉब एंड केडी ऑन बास.
यही रहता.
तुम्हारी मेरी बातें.
Faltani, stop. This is too much, यार, Faltani. तुम अपना खुद का गाना लगा दे तू.
नहीं, क्या?
Yeah, is that your voice?
No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's not. Because you always sing इसका jazzy song numbers, right? No?
Whatever.
If you haven't heard us sing Mananjan, गीत का चल में हमारी Faltani गाती है. Oh my God, ये तो हमें jazz queen है.
मजाक उड़ा रहा है आलतू बाबा.
नहीं, it sounded like you only actually. आज का बंदूस.
Okay, here you go, Banjan. यही रहता.
Why did you rewind it all the way?
Because I wanted the song. Don't disturb the song.
Because your voice, huh?
Altu Baba! Don't disturb the song.
I am not. Let it play.
Okay, here you go.
तुम्हारी मेरी बातें हमेशा यूं ही चलती रही.
याद है
हमारी मुलाकातें हमेशा यूं ही चलती रही.
समझाने से ले याद.
हाँ.
कौन से स्केल से शुरू?
जी. 1 2 3 4.
बातों से निकलती रहे नई बात, फिर वही बातें लेके गीत कोई हम लिखे जो दिल को, हाँ सबके दिल को छू ले. बातें सुरों में यूं ही बिखरती रहे. बातें गीतों में यूं ही ढलती रहे.
Like hello, like hi Rob. मुझे नहीं पता था तुम्हें इतनी जबरदस्त छुपी हुई कला है यार.
थैंक यू अनुजी.
एक धमाकेदार प्रोड्यूसर आने वाला है. बस उसको मिलके जाना, ओके?
सॉरी अनुजी, आज नहीं, फिर कभी सही. I have to leave. बहुत जरूरी काम.
Are you sure?
Yes अनुजी.
I know. Middle of the voice is Anu Malik.
Yeah, it is.
गीतों में हर हमको खुशियों से हम सजा दे. जो सुने कहे वो हमसे गाना. ये तुम्हारी मेरी बातें हमेशा यूं ही चलती रहे. ये हमारी मुलाकातें हमेशा यूं ही चलती
coming to the end of our show already, and of course, I hope you enjoyed some of the तारीफ़-ए-काबिल voices we feature for you guys today, Badajan. And yes, काफी सारे हैं. एक शो में कुछ खत्म नहीं होने वाला, Badajan.
किसी ने पहचाना नहीं.
क्या?
पहचानोगे भी नहीं.
अरे सबको मालूम है कि फाल्तोनी का voice था.
अल्तुबा मजाक उड़ा रहा है मेरा.
क्या रे?
ऐसे क्यों कहता है? It's a nice, beautiful singer's voice, man. She has sung a lot of.
So you're not beautiful, is it? My God.
Oh my God.
I didn't know that.
She has sung even in that song, your favorite, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
My favorite song.
Yeah, she sung in that. She sung in.
Okay, why don't you play one more song and sign off and see if Badus can post it on Facebook for us?
No, we'll give out the name now. Why should we?
Give out the name, Fatrani.
This is actually the wife of another very popular music producer. Very popular, nahi. Another very underrated music producer, music composer and singer, Banjan. This is Dominique Cerejo.
Cerejo?
Yeah, Cerejo or Cerejo, I don't know how to pronounce her name.
Cerejo means Jo nahi re, ho hota hai.
Ho hota hai? Pakka? हाँ, तो Dominique Cerejo. उसकी आवाज़ है Banjan. She sung a lot of beautiful songs. She sung the Sathiya song. She's there in that. She's also sung Bas Ek Pal. That's a remix by Mithun. There's like a lot of Suraj Ki Baahon Mein. That's her voice in that again. And this particular song, obviously, the flow of the song is very airy, very light and very soft. It's obviously Rock On movie se hai. Shankar Ehsaan Loy ka composition hai, right?
That's true, Faltrani.
Right. So, ये एक और underrated singer है Banjan that we have introduced you to, another female singer. Aldova, do you think there is any singer that you think our Bandhus should know about today? We should feature and leave them with that song.
I don't know, Faltrani. I think, everybody is a good singer. I don't know anybody. At least I try to go hunting for singers who are not so famous. And I don't know about you. What do you think? We can sign off with a nice song. How about that?
Yeah, which song?
You tell me. It's your choice, Faltrani.
Oh my God. Okay, Banjan, there's several of them. We can't, I mean, for me, obviously, I would only think of mostly female singers. We played you a song of KK Sir already. So there is, I'm trying to think. There is one singer. Off late, he's got a lot of popularity.
Oh, interesting. What's the person?
You said that you actually started researching about him and you figured out that he's actually a rocker and then he has this amazing, incredible range.
Yeah, he was one of the people who was rejected by Indian Idol actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was sent back because he was not good.
What?
Yes, and same with even if you didn't know about that, Banjan, none of the Indian idols who actually became idols are in the industry.
Oh, really?
They're there, but they're not actually making and made a mark. Arijit Singh, who we think he did not make it to the finals. He was the semi-finals, he got disqualified.
Okay.
Or removed rather. He was just, he lost the thing. But he became famous, right?
Yeah.
Because somebody was there to just promote them. Right? Similarly, this guy, I think who we're talking about is Jubin Nautiyal?
No.
Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about this particular singer who has this incredible range.
Okay, now you'll not have time to actually ask him to call. What is the person talking about?
It is the singer called B Prak.
B Prak, yes.
Yes, Banjan. B Prak has got this amazing voice and amazing range. He's got a lot of beautiful songs. In fact, one song that kind of shook up the entire industry was the song from Kesari.
Yeah, but more recent movie which actually people are raving about, the on OTT released one.
Yeah.
Doesn't it have a nice song of his?
Yes, it does.
Ranjha.
Yes. It's from the movie Sher Shah, right?
Yeah.
It's a very different type of a song, Manjan. His voice is very different in this, so enjoy. This is with Jasleen Royale.
Yeah. She also a singer, by the way.
And a composer too.
इसी के साथ बजे बोलने वाले आप लोगों को have a wonderful evening. We will see you tomorrow bright and early with Good Morning Bebeljan. तब तक के लिए good night, शब्बा खैर
and a प्यार भरा.
वे मेरा ढोला नहीं आया ढोला, वे मेरा ढोला नहीं आया ढोला, वे मेरा ढोला नहीं आया ढोला, वे मेरा ढोला नहीं आया ढोला. और अब भी खेल है खेले रोज लगावे मेले, कहंदा कुछ ना बदला और अब भी खेल है खेले रोज लगावे मेले कहंदा कुछ ना बदला झूठ बोले हर वेले चुप माही चुप है राजा बोले कैसे वे ना जा बोले कैसे वे ना जा 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 बोले कैसे वे ना जा बोले कैसे वे ना जा चुप माही चुप है ना जा जा जा
Bandujan, this is your darling pyari Mahima ki dulari Faltu Rani. I hope you're enjoying every one of these songs that we have lined up for you, Bandujani. This is Radio D Hotties, where entertainment, engagement, excitement, everything keeps getting hotter.